I discovered a leak in my outdoor shower area. You see we have this configuration, and way back in there, there's a tiny little leak from a frost this winter. I'm going to try to repair it with this JB Weld. I used a metal file here to just file this area down to prepare the surface, dried it off, and next I'm going to put the JB Weld on there. I took this piece of cardboard and I'm squeezing equal parts of JB Weld onto there just to give myself some putty here. Put those together to activate it. Should come out a nice gray color. And now I'm going to take that putty and just put it in there on that leak in the back. Trying to cover the whole crack. Be very generous. Now you can see I just very generously covered that crack. Okay, so the instructions say to let that set for 4 to 6 hours and that it cures in 15 to 24 hours, and allow 4 to 6 hours before handling and 15 hours minimum before putting the object back to use. So tomorrow morning I'll be back down here to make sure my shower is fully back in service. Okay, here we are 24 hours later at the outdoor shower. Remember, this is where our leak was, right here. It's set overnight. And now we're going to turn it on and see if we get any issues. Seems to be working fine, and the leak is fully repaired. So we're good to go. Thank you, JB Weld.